Hi, this is May's Design Corner, and I am sending out these boxes. It has been a trying time for me cleaning out a warehouse, and I promised this I could not make videos. So now I'm getting everything ready. I have packed these boxes to the brim, and I am getting ready to send them out as soon as I can. So I'm packing stuff in to give them out because I want to thank all my subbies and thank everyone that subscribed to me. I really do appreciate you. I can't send to everybody, but I'm going to send out as much as I can. And then I'm going to start sending out to the ones that take me to 600, 700, 800, 900, so on and so on. And I have so much stuff that I don't have anywhere to put it. My house is crowded, and I'm doing the best I can right now, trying to get everything into these boxes and bags. I have bags here full of stuff that I'm going to send out as well. So all I ask that if when you get your box or your bag, and if you can't use it, pass it on to someone else. Let's not be stingy or hurtful, but pass it on to someone else. If you can't use it, I'm getting tired. I've been doing a little bit of everything, trying to get things together. And I just want to let you know that I'm finally trying to get these boxes together. So I'm taping them, and as soon as I get as many as I can afford to send out, I will be taking them to the post office and sending them out. If you don't get a box or a bag and you have subscribed to me and you really want one, let me know. I have a warehouse that's full of stuff, and I'm sorry I'm talking almost like in riddles, but I am tired. When you have to separate so much stuff, you actually get tired. Some of them will look like this. I'm just going to tape all this up and send it somewhere. I don't know. When you're giving away so much, and God has blessed you to do that, there's nothing wrong with sharing. That's why we can't get our blessings, because we don't like to share. I'm not going to hold this too long because I got a lot of more things to tape up and get out. Okay. Okay. You might not get a box. You might get a bag, but whatever you get, I hope you're content with it. This is one of the things that I'm sending off. Can you see that? It's a wreath. So I'm just sending it out. Some of them are not. They are Christmas things. Some are things for Thanksgiving. So you could save them or put them in your stash. I have a stash that I save, and I'm quite sure you all do too. So I'm just trying to get this stuff all taped up so I can get rid of it. And that's not taped up good, so I'm going to have to do that again, but that's fine. I just want to get it taped up so I can get it out. I hope that you all have been doing good and have been praying for others besides yourself. I hope you've been doing that. So I got these 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes here. This box here. This box here. Got this bag here. And I don't know. I put instructions in this bag for what's in here too. So let me pull this and get this sealed up. I wanted you to see I'm sealing up. And it takes money to send this stuff. So I'm not going to be sending it all at one time, but I'm letting you see that I am getting it ready to come out. I hope that you enjoy what you receive. If you don't, pass it on. Pass it on to someone else that might want it. This is what's in this bag. And I'm just sending them around. Whew, I know it's going to take me a year or a day to get to everybody. But I want to get to my tribe and true, the ones that's been with me down through the years when I was Tablescape Diva, Mabel's Table. I want to get to those first. Let's see. And then I will, oh Lord, I couldn't get this in the bag. I think I might have to pack this in a box. I couldn't get that in the bag. So I'm going to throw that there. Let me see what I got left. I have bags and bags and bags. In this box, I'm just going to drop it in the post office like it is. It's already in a box. Got this out the warehouse and it's in a box. So I don't have to put it in a box. Trying to get it taped up so it won't come back loose. Whew. I tell you, it has been a trying time. I would like to say again, once again, thank you all very much. I pray that you and your family is doing fine. Oh Lord. I'm getting tired, so I'm going to have to stop. I'm going to cut the tape and tell you, please don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself. And always know that God is alive and well and that He is in the healing business. Don't forget now, God is in the healing business. See, this is what is in that box. And I have to open some of the boxes to see what's in them. Oh, Lord. It's been a long time. Oh. These are lights. Lights. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, these lights go on. These lights go somewhere around these. Their leaves, okay? I have my son. We have a business, and he gets stuff, and I do too. So I'm going to make another box, but I'm going to tell you, please don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself. And always know that God is alive and well. And y'all, this is God's world. It may look bleak and bad right now, but guess what? God still got the last say into anything that goes on in his world. You better learn how to trust God and to stay with God. Because we got to learn how to stay with God. Because if we don't, we're going to miss out on so many good blessings. Oh, Lord, this is so pretty. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? I think it's a Nutcracker tablecloth. Yeah. Okay, well, I'm going to go now. You all be blessed and know that God is alive and well. And please, please pray. Pray ye one for another. You pray for me and I'll pray for you. And I'm getting my things ready to be shipped out. And I'm going to ship out as much as I can. Money, I got to pay for shipping. So you all be very patient and I will be sending things out. This is May's Design Corner saying thank you so very much. God bless you and have a beautiful and glorious and wonderful day, week. Okay? Love you. I do.